Hello traders, and welcome back to the NinjaTrader 8 Hacks video series. In this video, we're going to go ahead and focus on the share and print functions located within NinjaTrader. The topics that we're going to go ahead and cover today are setting up sharing services, sharing messages and images, and then printing from NinjaTrader. Before we begin, I must remind you that trading does carry significant risk, and all information in this video is provided for educational purposes only. It is not an offer or recommendation to trade future stocks, options, or Forex. So the first thing that you want to go ahead and do is go to your control panel and set up the sharing services. Go to Tools, Options. Under the General category, you'll see Shared Services under Preferences. Go ahead and hover over there. You'll see Add Share Service. Go ahead and left click. You'll see that you can share through email. You can post to StockTwits. You can send a text message via email, or you can post here on Twitter. So at this point, go ahead, if it's StockTwits, email, go ahead and put in your login information here, the service name. Make sure you go ahead and put it down here and configured. Call it whatever you'd like. Put in your username. You have the option of using this by default as your default sharing services or any other of these options. And then click connect. Same thing for email. Bring it in the configured area. Go ahead and put your email in here. And then once you're done and you make all the connections, make sure you put your username and password. You can send an email test here as well. Go ahead and hit OK. Now once you're into a chart, and if you want to go ahead and share a chart like this, any type of chart, you can go ahead and size it, do whatever you like, put whatever indicators that you like on here. All of that will be shared. Go ahead and right click anywhere in the window. Go down to Share, and you have the option of sharing your position, price, tab contents, or window. Go ahead and left click on anything that you'd like. And you can notice here, I just set up the email, but if you have Twitter, StockTwits, or anything else here, once you configure it, it'll go ahead and be listed right here. You can see the attached file here as well. You can change the name by clicking Save Image As. You can choose who to send it to, the subject, and the body of the email here as well. It will have a sent by NinjaTrader down here. Once you're done, go ahead and click OK, and that email will go ahead and be sent to whichever user you wanted to send it to. You also have the option of printing, and you can print either a chart or you can go ahead and print an order grid or anything that you see here. Go ahead and right click, make sure your printer is set up, go down to print, and you have the options of printing the order grid or the window just by simply clicking which one you want to go ahead and print.